what's up? Today I'm here. My name's Liliana, if you don't know. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Hello, my name is Liliana, and I am proudly to say, welcome to Benny Beats, yay! Well, anyway, let's get straight on to this video. Well, okay, so the first thing about this video is today I will be reviewing some slime. Well, basically putty. So, this time, this slime or putty is Batman slime or putty. So, the color of it is yellow, and it's all very glittery. And so, yeah, blah, 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 instructions. So, yeah, so let's open this up. Let's get straight on. Oh, guys, look at this. Woo! Oh, this is cool. Oh my gosh. So, guys, I hope you like this. It's really cool. Oh. I have this tiny little piece. It's like so tiny. Here, I'll show you. There. Stuck it back in. Guys, if you want to see really cool stuff. Hey, Michael Kern. I have a request for you. Can you please make a slime video? Whatever slime video. You told me to make a balloon video, which I will in a minute, but please do make a slime video. I'll make a balloon video, I promise. I have a balloon just out of my living room. I'm going to do it in like a few minutes or so. Please, Michael, please. But anyway, do you want to see the magic of this putty? So I'm going to put the lid on, the liddy lid. And then you place the putty on the lid. So while we wait for that to settle, I'm going to go get my balloon. While you can just watch and see what happens to it. Here, guys, I'm so sorry. Here, I'm sorry. It's my charger. Just watch what happens while I'm gone. Just make sure the camera doesn't fall. Yeah, no, you can't see very well, but yeah, just try to see. I'm back, guys. So, I have my balloon, which I have to turn off my light because I don't want it to break. Wait for that to die down. Oh, okay. It's up there. So guys, can you see what's happening to the jar? It's melting. This is a better view. Oh my gosh. So Michael, while we wait for that, like you said, I'll make a balloon video. So here it is, guys. What you've all been waiting for. A balloon video. So I got this at a birthday party, and this balloon is big. So, whee! It goes up in the air. So guys, you should see. Look it. It's just up there. Oh, my fan's blowing. It's up there. Here, guys, we're going to bring it back down. So, guys, this is a balloon video. Shout out to, drum roll, please, Michael Kern! Okay. So, go back here. So, I have my balloon. Can you see my face? No? Okay. Let's try it again. tell me if you did in the comments. So, Michael, thank you for asking me to do this. I saw you did like a helium one. It was really cool. So this is basically like a video for Michael. Anyway, let's go check on our slime or putty. So, I have checked on my putty or slime, and it is dripping down fast. So while that happens, I will be showing you a previous thing I will be doing this Halloween. I will be painting this very pumpkin. Yes, I will. And especially since you guys are amazing and I love it so much, plus you guys might be sick and tired of it, I'm gonna make Bendy. Because previously I made a Fluttershy pumpkin. So do you want me to show you? Okay. Here, show you. So, go into this room. Sorry if it's dark. Let's get it and go. Lights off. And back into my room I am. So, I'm back, guys. Oh, my charger. Okay, so I am back. I don't think I have showed you this, but I have painted it. I have drawn it. I have done with everything with it. Sorry about the ears and the wings with Fluttershy, but anyway, besides that, here's my Fluttershy pumpkin that I painted and traced. And I did the wings, and I even did the little cutie mark. That's basically like the tail and the mane and the cute eyes. And I also added a little like swirls here up here to make it look more nature, I guess I could say. So, guys, this is my Fluttershy pumpkin. Tell me if you like it or not. Because, I mean, like, I put a lot of work into this Fluttershy. Yeah, so guys, that is my Fluttershy pumpkin that I made by myself. I mean, I asked Mommy if I could buy some paints for me to do it. So, yeah. So, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. And especially to Michael Kern with the balloon. Wait, guys. Listen. Thank you, Michael Kern, for requesting this video. I love it so much. Mwah. Thank you, guys. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Especially to Michael Kern.